Hello, smart English learners. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Mia, and I'm so happy to be here with you today, and with my co-host, Alex.
Hi, everyone. It's great to be back too, Mia. I'm Alex. We're excited to have you all join us for another fun lesson.
Today, we have a very interesting topic. Have you ever thought about living by yourself? Just you in your own home? No roommates, no family? It's a big step for many people.
That's right, Mia. It's a topic many people wonder about, especially when they grow up or move to a new city. Today, we're talking about living alone. We'll explore what it means, the good things, and some challenges too.
Perfect. So, Alex, let's start with the basics. What exactly does living alone mean?
Well, living alone means you are the only person who lives in your house or apartment. No one else shares your space. You don't have a roommate, a husband or wife, or your parents living with you. It's just you.
I see. So you are the only one, the boss of your own home. Many people choose this, right?
Exactly. Many people choose it. Why? One big reason is independence. When you live alone, you are very independent. This means you do things by yourself. You make all the decisions for your home. You don't need to ask anyone.
That sounds great for some people. Being independent, doing what you want. Like, you can eat dinner at 10 p.m. if you want, and no one cares.
Haha, precisely. Another big word is privacy. When you live alone, you have a lot of privacy. This means you have your own space, your personal time. No one is watching you. You can relax how you want to relax.
Ah, privacy. So your own space. You can sing loudly or watch your favorite show, and no one will complain. That's a nice benefit, I think.
It really is. Having your own space is a phrase we use often. It means a place where you feel comfortable and can be yourself. Living alone gives you that completely.
Okay, so independence, privacy, your own space, these sound like really good things about living alone. What else is good, Alex?
Well, there's a lot of freedom. You have the freedom to do what you want when you want. You can decorate your home in any style you like. You can decide when to clean or when to cook. You make your own rules for your home.
Wow, freedom. So if I want to paint my walls purple, I can do it. No one can tell me no. That sounds really exciting for creative people or just anyone who wants to express themselves.
Exactly. And with this freedom comes responsibility. Living alone teaches you responsibility. You have to take care of everything yourself. You learn to cook for yourself, to clean your home, and to manage your money.
Ah, responsibility. That's an important word. So you learn new skills, right? Like if something breaks, you have to fix it or find someone to fix it. You can't ask a roommate to do it.
That's a very good point, Mia. You become more self-reliant. You learn how to handle daily life tasks, like doing your laundry, buying groceries, or paying your bills.
Ah, bills. That's a big one. Can you explain what bills are for our listeners?
Of course. Bills are the money you must pay every month for services. For example, you pay rent for your apartment. You pay for electricity to have lights and power. You pay for water to shower and drink. And you pay for internet so you can watch Smart English Podcast.
A very important bill. So you have to pay all these bills by yourself. That must be a big part of the responsibility you mentioned.
It is. It teaches you to budget your money. To budget means to plan how you will spend your money. You learn to save money and make sure you have enough for your bills and food.
Okay, so living alone makes you very good at managing money. You become a budgeting expert. These all sound like really good life skills. But what about the other side? Are there any challenges when you live alone, Alex?
Yes, Mia, there are definitely challenges. One common feeling is loneliness. Sometimes when you live alone, you can feel lonely. You might miss having someone to talk to, especially at night or on weekends.
Ah, lonely. That means feeling sad because you are by yourself and you want company. That's a natural feeling, I think. How do people deal with that?
It's very natural. People often try to stay connected with friends and family. They call them, video chat, or meet up regularly. Having hobbies or joining clubs can also help you meet new people and feel less lonely.
That's a great tip. Stay connected. It's important to not totally isolate yourself. What other challenges are there?
Well, there's all the chores. Chores are the regular jobs you do around the house, like cleaning, washing dishes, or taking out the trash. When you live alone, you have to do all of them yourself. No one else will help.
The chores. I know that feeling. It's not so fun when you have to do everything yourself. So you need to be good at managing your time, right?
Absolutely. Time management is key. You need to schedule time for cleaning, cooking, shopping, and working. It's all on you.
And we talked about bills. Are there any other financial challenges?
Yes, all the costs like rent and utilities, electricity, water, and internet are only for you to pay. There's no one to share them with, so it can be more expensive than living with others.
That makes sense. It's more money just for one person. You really need a good budget then.
Definitely. A good budget is essential. And another important thing is safety. When you live alone, you need to think about safety, making sure your doors and windows are locked and knowing what to do in an emergency.
Yes, safety is very important. And an emergency means a serious or dangerous situation that needs fast action. Like if there's a fire or you get sick suddenly, you need to know who to call.
That's right. It's good to have a plan and share it with a trusted friend or family member, just in case.
So, Alex, to recap, living alone gives you independence, privacy, and freedom, and it teaches you responsibility and how to manage money. But it can also bring loneliness, a lot of chores, and you have to be careful about expenses and safety.
That's a perfect summary, Mia. It's a big decision, but for many, it's a very rewarding experience that helps them grow as a person.
I agree. It's a journey. And for our A1 to A2 learners, we hope this conversation about living alone was helpful. We learned many new words today: independent, privacy, freedom, responsibility, cook, clean, decorate, bills, rent, electricity, water, internet, budget, lonely, stay connected, chores, safety, and emergency.
Yes, a lot of useful words and phrases that you can use every day. Try to make your own sentences with them. Talk about your home, or if you live alone, or if you want to live alone someday.
That's a fantastic idea, Alex. Remember, practice is key. And if you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to subscribe to the Smart English podcast channel here on YouTube.
And please like this video. It helps us a lot and lets us know you enjoy our content. And we love to read your comments. Tell us, do you live alone or do you want to live alone? What are the good things or challenges for you?
Yes, let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you so much for joining us today, Smart English learners. It was a pleasure, Alex.
My pleasure too, Mia. And thank you all for listening. Keep practicing your English and we'll see you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye.